Hi there, this is Scott Melgren with SkipperBud's here in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Here's one of our newest listings. It's a 2020 Harris 270 Grand Mariner with the SL floor plan with the entertainment center. You can see it's midnight blue with the blacked out rails. This boat actually is equipped with what's called a side shift for docking. So that drops down, helps you with docking in tight spaces. Going on back here, see it comes with the Harris fenders. This boat is equipped with the Evo Power Tower with tower speakers on it. Has a bimini. This one also has the double bimini, which is in the back here, so if you want lots of shade. Also has a nice swim seat, so you put that in the water. This boat is actually equipped with a Mercury 400, so plenty of power to get you out and about. Get on the boat here. Easy entrance. You can see it's got the lounger here. Lots of seating throughout. And the beautiful Grand Mariner helm. It does have a Simrad 5 and the JL Audio Platinum stereo. It's also equipped with Mercury Active trim. Boat is rated for 16 people, so plenty of room for all your friends. One feature of the 270 Grand Mariner is you actually have gates on both sides. No matter what side you dock on, there's a gate on both sides. Moving forward here, you have plenty of seating. This boat is equipped with a gate seat, so it makes that all seating all the way around. You have the in-floor storage locker here. Kind of coming back. Here you'll see that entertainment center. Nice little spot for snacks. This thing's to sit down with some extra cup holders. It does have a fridge, which is nice to have. It's equipped with a ski tow, or you can pull off the tower, either one. Here is that side shift control from the inside there. Nice entrance there. So there you have it. This is our newest listing, 2020 Harris Grand Mariner 270. This boat is equipped with a Phoenix 28-foot trailer. So there's a trailer that will go with this boat. So if you guys have any questions or you'd like some more information, please give us a call.